Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on OASIS network. In my last video, I told you that OASIS can make another attempt to break out a bullish pennant on the weekly time frame. And this was the video. And right now the price line after the rejection is again bounced by the support of this bullish pennant. And in today's video, we will analyze whether this time can we expect that the price line will break out this resistance, or we are going to move more down to break down the support of this pennant. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. First of all, let me recall my previous analysis with you that I shared with you. This was the idea that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 4th of November. And that was a breakout from this symmetrical triangle. And you can see at that time, the price line just broke out. Our first target, by the way, this was the daily time frame. And this time, the breakout that we are expecting can be bigger one, because this is the weekly time frame. And we can see that the price line was moving at 21.4 cents. And our first target was 28 cents, and the second target was 34 cents. And as per this support of the triangle and the recent swing low before this breakout, I placed my stop loss below this support that was approximately at 16.88 cents, approximately at 17 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well up to 46.6 cents. That was more than 100% move down, and right now we are almost moving at the same level. Now, if we move to the weekly time frame, your price line is moving in this bullish pennant, and this time we are expecting a very big breakout, and you can see that the movement is very squeezed. Therefore, it can soon break out or break down the resistance or support of this pennant. And by the way, this bullish pennant is considered as a bearish reversal pattern among the traders community, but we also had a very big hidden bullish divergence on the chart, as the price line is forming higher lows. And if we take a look at the RSI, then it was forming lower lows, but right now it is forming another higher low than previous low. So I'm expecting if the RSI will form after this higher low, it will form another higher high, then price line can break out the resistance of this pennant. My target will remain the same, approximately at 78 cents. That is the measurement from this resistance to this support. And if we place it here, for example, if we are expecting a breakout from here, that will be approximately at 78 cents. That will be the target for this bullish pennant after the breakout. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.